how to delete account in Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can delete your Yelp account. The first step is to log in into Yelp, just like I have done here. Ensure you log in using any web browser on your computer, and then once you're logged in, the next thing to do is to go to the top part of the screen and then open a new tab. Okay, so once you click on the new tab you want to open, type out Yelp account closure page. All right, this is because you cannot delete your account directly on your Yelp account. You would have to type out Yelp account closure page, and after typing it out you can see some options displayed. Ensure you select user account closure page. So after selecting that, we brought to the user account closure page, and then you'll be asked to state your reasons why you are closing your account. Click on send, and then to be sent to Yelp developers directly, and then they'll check it, review it, and eventually your account deletion process would begin. All right, so this is basically how to do it. This is how you can delete your account on Yelp. Keep in mind that closing your personal Yelp account will result in the removal of all associated content, including reviews, photos, bookmarks, and tips. So ensure you think deeply before you take this decision. Thanks for watching and have a good day.